Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. I have some amazing tool deals over at Northern Tool, and we're going to combine these deals with one of two promo codes. You see right on the screen here, they have a little banner on their site that's $25 off orders of $250 or more with that promo code, and that's okay. It's not the best promo code that they've put out, but when people offer to give me $25, I generally take it. The other promo code we have is $20 off $100, which is essentially 20% off, and that's much better. And we're going to try and take advantage of that one as much as we can. All the deals I'm going to show you in the video come with free shipping, and we do have a couple that are $99, so they won't get you to that $100 mark. Northern Tool does not spot you the buck. You have to actually hit the number. So I also have this page here for you. It's items that are free shipping and sorted cheapest to most expensive. So if you need something cheap to throw in your cart just to get to that threshold, you can take a look at that list right there. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'll give you that 20 off 100 promo code in just 1 second. First off, we have the Ironton, which is one of their house brands, 1500 watt heat gun, dual temperature, comes with the 4 nozzles there. Say it's normally $28, that's too much for this thing, but for $10.99 and then free shipping, that's about the cheapest you're going to get a heat gun anywhere. Even when Harbor Freight has theirs on sale, it'll be down to like $9.99 or something, but you're either going to have to pay $6 shipping or you're going to have to go to a Harbor Freight store to pick it up. So a nice little deal at $10.99 for theirs. And then here's a hammer drill, same Ironton brand, half-inch keyless chuck, 27 RPM. This is down to $12.99. And those are so cheap, they might even be a good filler item if you're kind of interested in them and you end up picking up something else that gets you over to that $100. You know, it'd be a really good deal for that also. You have the flap disc. If you've never used one of these, you got to pick up a set. They're pretty amazing. It's like a bunch of individual slit like pieces of sandpaper that are stacked on top of each other, but they work surprisingly well and they last longer than I would have thought. When I first used them, I thought, well, this is kind of expensive and it's probably not going to, because you're thinking sandpaper, it's not going to last. No, they actually hold up really well. I like them. So we got the Clutch 5-pack, 4.5-inch. These are the 60 grits down to $13.99. Those are normally $25. Here we have the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty bit set. It's a 32-piece set, normally $21.99 down to $14.99. It's got the handy dandy case, the modular case, move things around, interchange it, and all of that jazz. And you'll notice some of these deals are the same deals at other retailers, but really what makes Northern Tool kind of special, because they have this 20 off 100 or the 25 off 250. Sometimes they'll have 5 off 25 or 10 off 50, different variations. But think, Home Depot doesn't have a global promo code that you can use on anything. Lowe's doesn't do that. So when we can get Northern Tool matching some of these other deals and then use the promo code, we're doing really well. Now, generally, when there's a free item involved, Northern Tool won't let you double dip like that. They'll cancel the order. But sale prices, they let it go through. You can use the promo code, no problems at all. Milwaukee Thunderbolt Black Oxide Drill Bits. This is a 21-piece set down to $19.99. Shockwave Impact Duty bit set. This is the 74-piece set. You're coming in 2 different cases there. $19.99. That's pretty good value. 74 pieces, only $20. A lot of bits there. We have the Milwaukee Universal Fit Open Lock 6-piece oscillating multi-tool general purpose blade kit with the handy dandy case. You got 6 blades there. $24.97. The Bulldozer 9-piece set down to $34.99. Another oscillating tool set. This is going to be a 9-piece set at $49.97. Now this is a deal that, boy, a lot of retailers have. We just talked about it at Ace Hardware yesterday. They got the same deal. I posted a deal earlier today. Check out the website, struggleville.net, and look at the tool nut deal, because it came with this case, 2 of the 2-drawer Milwaukee pack-out boxes. So you get 3 total pieces, and it was $257, I believe, for today and tomorrow. And the same exact setup, even taking advantage of the buy more, save more at Home Depot was $300 or thereabouts. So it's $40 or $50 cheaper at the tool nut deal if you are interested in those. Now, if you only want this case here, we get 2 of them, get a mini little filler item, we're getting an additional $20 off, so about $10 off each one. So it's really similar to paying $39.99 for this set, which normally sells for $100, and you get the whole little pack out. You know, it's a little pack out box to go with all the bits. So that's really good. We have the Ironton 8-inch bench top grinder, half horsepower, $54.99, normally $79.99. Now, half horse, it's the lowest I would go as far as power for a bench grinder. I had one back in the day. I can't remember if it's a third or quarter horsepower, and I swear you could stop that thing with your finger, which maybe in some cases it's good. It's better than ripping it off. But half is the lowest I would go. Pretty sure that's what mine is now, and it works pretty well. But whew, I had one, I swear. Way underpowered. So here's our first $99 deal. It's the DeWalt brushless compact 1/4-inch impact driver kit, 2 batteries. Those are the 1.5, 1.3s, whatever the hell they are. And that's probably the DCB 107. Yes, it is. So this is the same SKU that we saw at Ace Hardware. Everyone's participating in this $99 deal, but we're getting another $20 off. So the promo code to take 20 off 100 is 280577. And I'm going to have a link down below to my website that'll have the promo codes you need. We'll have the link to those cheapest free shipping items so you can pick out your filler. And then all these will be in the same order that we're going through them here now. Got the Milwaukee multi-tool combo kit. You're getting 1 battery with this one. Again, $99. Again, same as other stores, but we're tacking on that additional $20 off that we're not getting other places. The Milwaukee M12 set, the 2-tool drill impact driver. Same deal other places, but saving an additional $20. You have the 20-volt 2-battery drill, same as the impact driver. Again, same deal other places, saving $20. Same deal with the M18 brushless drill driver kit, $99 with the extra $20 off. Here we have the DeWalt 20-volt max 2-tool 2-battery drill driver, impact driver for $149. So we're going to bring that down to $129. The Milwaukee M18 fuel cordless 18 gauge brad nailer tool only. As far as I know, everyone has this at $249 right now, and that's listed as a sale price. So that's going to get us to our $250. Of course, we're going to get that filler item. So we'll take another $25 off. You save a little bit. Not the most amazing deal, but for something that's already on sale and then getting a little discount. And, you know, something that's not included in a bunch of promotions or anything. Milwaukee M18 cordless 2-tool combo kit. You're getting the brushless hammer drill with the 1/4-inch impact. Get the 1 big-ass battery and then the little guy to go with him. Normally $299, down to $249. Again, we're going to take that additional $25 off, get it down to $225. And then here we have the DeWalt 20-volt max brushless high torque impact wrench. This is the one I have. I've been really happy with it. 1/2-inch drive, 700 foot-pounds. You're getting 1 battery, $299. We're going to take that $25 off. Make it $275. I will have that link down below to my website right here. You can see here's your first promo code that you need for the 20 off 100. If you get up to that 250 threshold, you got your code for 25 off 250. Here's your list of filler items that we looked at briefly. And then all the items we just went over in the exact same order with the price. Those prices obviously do not include using one of the promo codes. So there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.